Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix weather app or widget not working on iPhone. Have you faced the issue when you wanted to check the air quality around your location or decide whether to carry an umbrella only to find the weather app or widget is not working on iPhone? Worry not, I will share the quick fixes in this video to help you resolve this. First of all, you have to do is simply force quiet the weather app on iPhone. Sometimes temporarily software issues on iPhone can cause apps like weather to suddenly stop working for you. In most cases, you can quickly resolve such issues by force quitting and relaunching the app. To do this, simply you have to open your weather app, close it, and try reopening it again. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is check your internet connection. The weather app relies on an active internet connection to fetch weather data from Apple. So technically, issues with your internet connection may cause the weather app or widget not work or load the latest data on your iPhone. So you have to make sure you are using a stable internet on your iPhone. After this, then you have to do is turn off VPN on your iPhone. Using a VPN to safeguard your data can sometimes interfere with the weather app's ability to fetch data. You may toggle off the VPN to ensure this isn't the case with you. After this, then you have to do is check if the location services are enabled for your iPhone or not. The weather app consistently needs access to your iPhone's location data to detect your region and display helpful information. However, the weather app may fail to do this if you are accidentally disable location services on your iPhone. So you have to open your settings. Tap on privacy and security. Now tap on location services and you have to make sure that location services are enabled. After this, then you have to do is check if background app refresh is enabled. The weather app must keep running in the background to fetch latest weather updates and work as expected. To ensure the weather app can run in the background, follow the steps. You have to go back and simply tap on general. Now tap on background app refresh. Again tap on I have enabled the low power mode. So first of all disable it. Now tap here, again tap on background app refresh and you have to make sure that it's enabled for Wi-Fi and cellular data. If it's disabled, then you have to enable it. So guys, after trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply go to your general, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.